In this video we are going to install the latest version of Imaculum. I've downloaded the installers from my account on the Henwig Imaculum website. Here are the two files. As you can see, there is a 32-bit version which is designated by 32 and a 64-bit version of Imaculum. It's important that you install the correct version for your computer. This computer is running Windows 10. So to find out which version of Windows is running on this computer, you need to go to the Start bar and then the cog settings button, System, and then click About at the bottom here. The bit we're interested in is System Type, and here it tells me that this is a 64-bit operating system running on this computer. So that's all we need to know. This is 64-bit. Now, obviously not everyone's running Windows 10, so to find out on your computers, go to this website, which is support.microsoft.com/en-gb/help/13443/windows-operating-system. And then once here, choose your operating system from this drop down menu and follow the instructions. Okay, as we've deduced, we're running a 64-bit version of Windows, so I'm going to use the 64-bit installer. So I'm going to double click it and then click Next. Here it'll ask you where you'd like to install Imaculum. By default, I would suggest just go with the location recommended to you here, and which places it within your program files folder. Also on this screen you've got another question just at the bottom here. By default, Imaculum is installed for the current user only, so in this case the person that I'm currently logged in as. If you have other users on your computer, then you would want to click Everyone. If they logged in with their account and you'd installed it on your account and only used just me, they wouldn't be able to run Imaculum via their login. So let's now click Next and Next. The screen is now displaying a security question which says, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? I'm going to click Yes, because we do want to carry on with installation of Imaculum. And there we go, we're done. Okay, so let's close this window and we're going to start Imaculum for the first time. Okay, as you can see, a security alert has appeared. This is the Windows Defender firewall asking about a program that is now starting up with Imaculum. It's called SyncThing. As you can see here, syncthing.exe. It also comes under the name of Open Source Continuous File Synchronization. SyncThing is the method which Imaculum uses to sync the data between your computers, the various viewing station and your admin event till machine. So it is important that it runs. So we need to allow SyncThing access through your firewall. Obviously, depending on the firewall you are using, the interface shown here will vary. So we are going to allow SyncThing access through private networks such as my home or work network. There is also an option for allowing SyncThing access through the firewall for public networks such as those in airports and cafes. I tend to enable that simply because sometimes, depending on the event, I might be using a network at the event. So I tend to, as I say, I tend to leave both of these ticked. Okay, so we're going to click Allow Access. That's done. You'll need to do that the first time you run Imaculum. That's not something that needs to be done every single time. So Imaculum's now running. I'm going to enter my customer ID, which is displayed to you when you're logged into your account online at the Henwig Imaculum website. And now I'm going to click Set Customer ID in a moment. Also note the expiry date. This is the default expiry date if there's no valid license present. So I'm going to click Customer ID. It will ask me to restart, which I'm going to click yes. I have an internet connection. So when it restarts, it will also check online for my license. I have a valid license, so it's now check-in. It's now restarted, and as you can see, the expiry date has been updated to the expiry date for my license. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be connecting our computers via sync settings.